Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2015 Audi Q7 Prestige fully loaded, 81,000 miles. We just serviced it. It drives great. It's fully loaded, backup camera, panel roof, nav, Bluetooth. What else does it have? Air conditioned seats, heated seats, front camera, backup camera, top view cameras. 3.0 V6 supercharged engine. The last year they made this body style. Great truck, great family car. Third row. You can see here, has a big panel roof. Third row in the back. Really nice ride to it. Has the sunshades back here as well. Check out the interior. There's the S line. So this is the top of the line Q7 you'll get. 81,901 miles. We'll crank her up. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler. 228-438-2056. You can also email us, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche vehicle that needs service, give us a shout. We also work on other important domestic vehicles, so just give us a holler. Thanks for checking us out.